Good morning, children. Today, in some applications of trigonometry, we are going to solve some additional problems. Question number 1. The angle of elevation of an aeroplane from a point on the ground is 60 degree. After 15 seconds of flight, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degree. If the aeroplane is flying at a constant height of 3000 meter, find the speed of the plane. First, we need to draw the figure as per the given statement. In the given figure, AC is the ground level. From the point A, the angle of elevation of the flight flying at a height of 3000 meter is 60 degree. That is, in the given figure, EAB angle is 60 degree. BE is the height of the flight, 3000 meter. After 15 seconds, the position of the flight, the aeroplane is changing from E to D. Now the angle of elevation is 30 degree. Angle DAC is 30 degree. CD is 3000 meter. We need to find the speed of the plane. In the given figure, let AB is x meter and BC is y meter. Now in triangle EAB, the opposite BE is given 3000 meter and AB is adjacent is unknown. So opposite by adjacent is tan theta. Here the theta is 60 degree. So in triangle EAB, EB by AB is equal to tan 60 degree. EB is 3000 divided by x is equal to tan 60 degree value is root 3. Therefore, x root 3 is equal to 3000. Then x is equal to 3000 by root 3. By rationalizing the denominator, we get 3000 root 3 by 3, that is equal to 1000 root 3. Here in the question it's given the value of root 3 is 1.732. So 100,000 into 1.732 is equal to 1732 meter. That is the value of x. So x is equal to 1732 meter, equation number 1. Now in triangle DAC, same opposite is given 3000, CD is given and the adjacent is AC. So that same opposite by adjacent is tan theta. Theta value is 30 degree. So DC by AC is equal to tan 30 degree. DC is 3000 divided by AC is x plus y, that is equal to tan 30 degrees value is 1 by root 3. By cross multiplication we get x plus y is equal to 3000 root 3. Therefore y is equal to 3000 root 3 minus x. We know the value of x from equation 1, that is 1000 root 3. Therefore 3000 root 3 minus 1000 root 3 is equal to 2000 root 3. So y is equal to 2000 root 3. If we substitute the value of root 3 1.732, we get y is equal to 2000 into 1.732 is equal to 3464 meter. Now we got the value of y. To cover the distance y, that is 3464 meter, the time taken is 15 seconds. Now we can find the speed of the aeroplane. Speed of the aeroplane is equal to distance by time, that is 3464 divided by 15, that is equal to 230.93 meter per second. That is the required speed of the flight. Question number 2. The angle of elevation of a jet flight from a point A on the ground is 60 degree. After a flight of 15 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degree. If the jet is flying at a speed of 720 kilometers per hour, find the height at which the jet is flying. In the given figure, AC is the ground level. From the point A, the angle of elevation of the flight is 60 degree and BE is the height of the flight. From the same point, after 15 seconds, the angle of elevation of the flight is 30 degree. That is DAC is 30 degree. The height of the flight is CD. After 15 seconds, the flight moves from E to D. E is the first position of the flight. D is the second position of the flight. EAB is 60 degree. DAC is 30 degree. We need to find the height of the flight. The speed of the flight is given 720 kilometers per hour. In the given figure, let AB is X meter and BC is Y meter. The height of the flight is not given. Let it be H meter. That is BE equal to CD equal to H meter. Now in calculation, first the speed of the flight is equal to 720 kilometer per hour. This 720 kilometers per hour we are changing into meter per second. So 720 into 5 by 18 is equal to 200 meter per second. So convert kilometers per hour, we have to multiply by 5 by 18. So the given value 720 into 5 by 18 is equal to 200 meter per second. Now the speed is given. Therefore the distance covered in 15 seconds is 200 into 15 is equal to 3000 meter. The flight takes 15 seconds to cover the distance from E to D. That ED we are taking as Y. So the Y is equal to 3000 meter. Now in triangle EAB, EB by AB is equal to tan 60 degree. That is opposite by adjacent is equal to tan theta. EB is H divided by AB is X. H by X is equal to tan 60 degree value is root 3. Therefore H by X is equal to root 3. Then H is equal to X root 3. That is equation number 1. In triangle DAC, AD by AC is equal to tan 30 degree. AD is H and AC is X plus Y. So H by X plus Y is equal to tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3. So H by X plus Y is equal to 1 by root 3. Therefore X plus Y is equal to H root 3. And H value is X root 3 from equation 1. So we get X plus Y is equal to X root 3 into root 3, that is equal to 3x. X plus Y is equal to 3x. Therefore Y is equal to 3x minus x is equal to 2x. We know the Y value is 3000. Therefore 2x is equal to 3000. Therefore x is equal to 1500 meters. Therefore the height of the flight is equal to X root 3. Our X value is 1500. Therefore 1500 root 3 meter. So 1500 root 3 meter is the height of the flight. Question number 3. An aeroplane when 300 meter high passes vertically above another aeroplane at an instant when the angles of elevation of the two aeroplanes from the same point on the ground are 60° and 45° respectively. Find the vertical distance between the two aeroplanes. In the given figure, CD is the ground level. From point C, the angle of elevation of an aeroplane which is flying at a height of 3000 meter is 60°. So in the figure, AD is the height of the flight, that is equal to 3000 meter. ACD is 60°. The flight A flying at a height of 3000 meter above the another flight which is at B. So the angle of elevation of the flight B is 45°. The height BD is not given. Let it be X. BD is the height of the second flight. AD is the height of the first flight. The CD is not given. Let it be Y meter. So in the given figure, CD is the ground level. A is the position of aeroplane 1. That is AD is 3000 meter. B is the position of aeroplane 2. Let CD is equal to Y meter and BD is X meter. We need to find the distance between the two aeroplanes, that is AB. Now in triangle BCD, BD by CD is equal to tan 45°, opposite by adjacent. BD is X and CD is Y. Therefore, X by Y is equal to 1. Therefore, X is equal to Y, that is equation number 1. Now in triangle ACD, AD by CD is equal to tan 60°. AD is given 3000 meter divided by CD is Y, that is equal to tan 60° value is √3. So 3000 by Y is equal to √3. Therefore Y √3 is equal to 3000. Then Y is equal to 3000 by √3. By rationalizing the denominator, we get Y is equal to 1000 √3. The value of √3 is 1.732. Therefore Y is equal to 1000 into 1.732 is equal to 1732 meters. So X also 1732 meter. From equation 1 we know that X is equal to Y. So X and Y both we have the values which are equal to 1732 meter. Now we need to find the distance between the two flights AB. AB is equal to 3000 minus X, that is 3000 minus 1732 will give 1268. So the distance between the two aeroplanes is equal to 1268 meters. Thank you, children.